Hey guys. Oh my gosh, that just happened. Okay, sorry about that. Kind of just choked on my own slobber. So today I'm going to be seeing what's inside of a hand warmer. So I'm gonna cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this thing open, which is gonna be so awesome. Okay. And by the way, I'm doing this outside because I didn't want to get too messy inside my house. So yeah. Okay. So that's what's inside a hand warmer. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm gonna go over and see. Wait, you can just wipe them off. But yeah, it like smells like metal or copper. It's really weird. Please, please, please do not eat this stuff. It's so cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's warm. Oh, it's really warm. Oh, it's warm. So warm. It's so cool. And also, if you're going to do this, please wash your hands after cutting it open because it's poisonous, and if you eat it, you're probably gonna die or get really, really sick. So yeah, that's what's inside of a hand warmer. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I said bye. You can go now. The video's over.